For installation of the auto alignment film, an applicator shall be used. It is a magnetic two-layer structure. The above layer can be lifted up and pressed down. This is the position where the film is laid. On the left side, there is a spring to fix the horizontal on above. There is a screw to screw and unscrew the bolt. Can be used to fix the vertical position. Clean the screen. Press the left spring of the frame. Put the film into the frame. And screw the above bolt to fix the film. Make sure the film is firmly fixed and it is in horizontal plane. Lift up the first layer of the frame. Take out the auto alignment film. Please note, this side up for installation. Use a sticker to peel off the inside release film. Put the film inside the frame. Make sure the film no bend and all sides are inside the frame. Press down the button. Use the roller to push, starting the bottom of the frame. And please note, the right side of the roller should be in line with the film edge. Evenly push forward and back. Make sure there is non-stop in the process. Next step, peel off the release films. Firstly, bend the top right corner. There are 3 layers in the release film, which are required to be removed one by one. Peel off the first layer. At the same time, pressing the below layer to avoid lifting up. Peel off the second layer. Then remove the last layer. If any bubbles are found, use the black scraper to squeeze. For 2 sides, use cloth to flat. From the flat surface to the curved edge. And push to one direction. Unscrew the bolt. Take out the film. Use the cloth to flat again. And clean the screen. The installation is done.